I thought there would be some kind of deal between the major players in China that they wouldn't keep lowering prices, but it looks like they need to start setting things right too. It's hard to say what will happen in the US, but I think every automaker in the world is switching to all electric cars. Tesla has lower costs than everyone else, and they're just trying to get a piece of the market. What American investors say they don't understand is that China is not only the biggest car market in the world, but you have to win China if you want to be the world winner. 54 of all Teslas are made in China today, which is an interesting fact. One reason for this is that they can make them cheaper, and I think Elon is trying to take advantage of the price edge he has as a low-cost provider. Tesla Gary Black, a bull and investor, just said something that all Tesla investors should pay attention to. The experts called out other Tesla investors who were starting to lose faith in the company, giving them real reasons why they shouldn't worry so much about the future of Tesla. This was made public by Gary Black in a recent tweet in which he answered some of Tesla's most important questions. In today's video, we'll look at Gary Black's most recent comments and why he thinks investors should have more faith in this fast-rising electric vehicle company. International loves producing in China because costs there are so low, but you'd be foolish not to be aware of the geopolitical concerns on the horizon, and that's why doubling down on the capacity size, expanding capacity in China, and about to break ground this month with the new plants in Monterrey, Mexico, so Tesla's last year, but they're diversifying. They're going to other markets like Mexico, where they can enjoy the benefits lower-cost vehicles. But I must say, I think Elon, having survived the tough times 5, 6, 8 years ago, where it wasn't even sure the company would survive, it's focused like a laser on making sure he has a cost advantage over the others. I think he's going to squeeze a lot of the new incumbents. And I think what you're going to see very quickly is this big global shakeout again between Tesla, who's sitting on top. The Chinese were coming quickly with very low-cost batteries, and a Volkswagen, which is probably the other Western brand that I think has done the best at modernizing, bringing battery production in-house, and improving manufacturing capabilities. For Gary Black's, he said that the Tesla game is more about the long term than the short term. Even though Tesla stock is still down because of concerns about its pricing and margins, buyers should keep in mind that Tesla can make up the lost margin by selling more SSD. He also said that wild portfolio managers are angry that Tesla is focusing on short-term discounts instead of building long-term brand equity by teaching legacy auto users about the benefits of going fully electric. What matters most is how this move will affect the company in the long run. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Hype, when we talk about gross margin. Tesla said that even though it lowered the prices of many models across regions, its operating margins shrank to a manageable level. The company also said that it expects to continue lowering the costs of its vehicles through improved production efficiency at its newest factories, lower logistics costs, and a focus on operating leverage as it grows. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, said that the company was willing to accept lower profit margins in the future in order to get a bigger share of the market. Musk also said that Tesla is not starting a price well, but only lowering prices to make them more affordable at scale. Now let's talk about Gary Black's comment. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Gary Black said that price doesn't get more Teslas on the road. Instead, convincing non-EV buyers to switch to EVs does. This is where licensing comes into play, as shown by FSD co-founder and senior vice president of Sapiens Decision. Larry Goldberg once said that Tesla's supercharging deals have a lot of great benefits. He talked about Tesla's supercharging business in 5 main areas, one of which was how efficient it was with capital. Standalone profitability, huge upside potential, industry-leading network, and as a key mission enabler, Goldberg said in his tweet that the EV revolution would sputter and fail without a nationwide dependable charging network enabling rapid charging on road trips. This means that if Tesla hadn't started this project about a decade ago, this could have been a missed opportunity. Even a previous report from Goldman Sachs included estimates of how much money Tesla could make if it actually has other EV charging networks on its network. This investment firm says that Tesla could make over $25 billion a year from just superchargers. Tesla's FSD technology could also make the company a lot of money through smart licensing of cutting-edge technologies like self-driving cars and cutting-edge AI algorithms. Tesla's FSD is the key to unimaginable wealth, and many Tesla fans are looking forward to the destructive power of self-driving cars. Tesla's smart move to license FSD and get into a profitable market, smart cars and self-driving companies are part of the market. Because it licenses its FSD technology, Tesla can make a lot of money without doing much. Tesla opens up a new way to make money. In addition to selling cars and energy, this can help the company make a lot more money, making it stronger financially. Most of the time, the best way to use a tool is to get a license from the company that made it and work with them. Tesla could now work directly with other automakers, which it hasn't been able to do since its early partnerships with Daimler and Toyota. This could also help Tesla invest more in other big projects, like the Tesla Semi and the Cybertruck, as well as areas that aren't related, like energy generation and storage solutions. Getting a license would make Tesla's FSD technology much more accessible. This could mean that Tesla's technology is used in a huge range of cars, from high-end ones to cheap ones, making it even more useful. Global affecting how people around the world see and accept self-driving cars. In a tweet, Gary Black said that while price cuts are short-term ways to get more people to buy, promotion could be long-term. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, recently said that the car company would try advertising for its products. Musk said this at Tesla's recent shareholders meeting, saying that the company would be allowing advertising, which is something it has never done in its 20-year history. According to analysts like ARK Invest Tachikini, this could be a good move for Tesla going forward. Musk's announcement is a big change for Tesla, a company that has traditionally avoided ads. Rather than running standard paid advertising, Tesla has relied on the support of its customers and supporters to promote its brand. The company ran TV, billboard, and online ads to promote its products, but chose not to spend money on advertising. Elon Musk had even said in the past that he hated advertising, and that the money saved was put into product development and other parts of the business. But now Tesla has finally decided to advertise, according to Musk, may focus on some of the unique and innovative features of Tesla's cars that most people may not know about. Musk also said that all of the brand's ads will be educational and entertaining, with a greater emphasis on the content. This announcement goes a long way towards showing that demand for Tesla cars will one day skyrocket to unbelievable heights. For example, the car company has already increased the number of cars it makes and delivers in both the US and global markets. Musk says that Tesla has made millions of cars since production began, so it won't be a surprise if it sells a lot more cars than its competitors. Production will always be enough to meet demand. Tesla has been making a lot of cars lately, and investors are hopeful that more will come out soon. What do you think of what Gary Black has to say? Let us know below, and for more exciting Tesla news, click on the next video. We'll see you there.